This is the spoiling of the big old moose by the woman. I have proof now. Oh, mama. Not even paying attention to me.
Who's my good boy? Who's my good boy? He's looking at the big piece. You see him? He ain't looking at this little piece I'm offering him. He'll take it, but he's looking at the big piece.
Yeah. Mama. Oh, mama. I want another piece. Oh, boy. I'm a spoiled pooch. Ready! And big old tail wagging.
I like stringy cheese, mama. I like stringy cheese. Okay, that's enough. That's fine.
I'm not gonna follow you. Mooch. There's no more. What do you guys say? What? You're a big old goofball, you know that? You're a big old goofball.